Good morning students, how are you? Today I will teach you about omission of the article. What do you mean by omission? Something that has not been included, or we can say that it means that where we cannot use the article. Articles are not used in the following cases. First, articles are not used before proper nouns. Proper nouns से पहले हम आर्टिकल का प्रयोग नहीं करते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शेक्सपियर वॉज ए जीनियस. In this sentence, Shakespeare is proper noun, so we will not use any article before it, so we will cross it. It means omission of article. Next, India has a population of more than 1 billion. India is also proper noun, so we use in front of it a cross. Mumbai is a metropolitan city. Mumbai is also proper noun and we will use in front of it a cross. All proper nouns begin with a capital letter like Shakespeare S capital, India I capital, Mumbai M capital. Next, no article is placed before abstract nouns when they are used in general sense. एक जब सामान्य रूप में abstract noun का प्रयोग किया जाता है तो हम उसके सामने कोई आर्टिकल नहीं लगाते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, होनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. होनेस्टी abstract noun, so we will not use any article before it. Happiness is what everyone longs for. In this sentence, happiness is abstract noun and we will put before it a cross. Abstract nouns, name of quality, state or action. Like other examples, bravery, wisdom, childhood, sleep, death, laughter, anger, theft, judgment, etc. But abstract nouns take the before them when they are used in a particular sense. जब abstract noun का प्रयोग विशेष रूप से होता है तो उसके साथ हम द प्रयोग करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, we must work for the happiness of all sections of society. In this sentence, happiness is particular, so we will use the before happiness. Next, no article is placed before man and woman when they are used in general sense. जब man और woman का प्रयोग सामान्य रूप से होता है तो हम उसके सामने आर्टिकल नहीं लगाते. और वी कैन से दैट नो आर्टिकल इज यूज्ड बिफोर ए कॉमन नाउन यूज्ड इन इट्स वाइडेस्ट सेंस. इट मीन्स जब इसका प्रयोग अधिक संख्या के लिए हो तो उसके सामने हम आर्टिकल नहीं लगाते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैन इज मॉर्टल. बिफोर मैन वी विल पुट क्रॉस. नेक्स्ट, woman is considered weaker than man. Woman is also common noun and used in general sense, so we'll put a before woman cross. Next, no article is used before the names of meals. भोजन के नाम जितने भी हैं जो उनको सामान्य रूप से प्रयोग किया गया है तो उनके सामने हमें आर्टिकल नहीं लगाते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast meal, also we will put a before it a cross. Next, he invited me to dash dinner. It means cross before dinner. Next, but we use the when a particular meal is mentioned. इसमें कहा गया है कि जब भोजन विशेष हो तब उसके सामने हम दा का प्रयोग करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द लंच गिवन बाय हिम वॉज फाइन. इन दिस सेंटेंस, द क्वालिटी ऑफ फूड इज गिवन एज टू व्हाट काइंड इट वॉज, सो वी विल पुट द बिफोर lunch. Next, no article is placed before the names of games, all games like cricket, hockey, बास्केटबॉल, वॉलीबॉल एट्सेट्रा यूज इन जनरल सेंस। जब सामान्य रूप से खेलों के नाम दिए गए हैं तो उनके नाम से पहले हम आर्टिकल नहीं लगाते। फॉर एग्जांपल, लेट अस हैव ए गेम ऑफ क्रिकेट, वी विल क्रॉस बिफोर क्रिकेट। नेक्स्ट, ही प्लेज फुटबॉल, वी विल क्रॉस यूज बिफोर football. Cricket and football, names of games. Next, no article is placed before the names of metal and materials when used in general sense. All metals like iron, gold, silver, aluminium, copper, and materials wood, water, glass, paper, cotton, silk, etc. First example, gold is a costly metal. In this sentence, gold is metal, and we will put before it cross. Next, the box was made of wood. Wood is material. According to rule, we will put cross before wood. Next, but when they are used specifically, there is place before them. जब विशेष रूप से इनका प्रयोग किया जाता है तो उनके सामने दे लगाते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, gold found in coal mines is of superior quality. In this sentence, the quality of gold is given as to what kind it is. It is superior quality. So we will put the before gold. Next, no article is placed before names of days, months and seasons. You all know very well name of days, months and seasons also. Name of months like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. and months January, February, March, April, etc. and seasons spring, winter, etc. First, Monday is the first working day of the week. Monday, names of days of week. So we will put a cross before it. Next, I am coming in July. July is also names of month. So we will put a cross before July. Next, she is planning to visit her parent in winter. Winter is name of season, so we will put a cross before it. Next, no article is used before the common noun in plural. For example, cows are useful animal. Cows, plural, so we will put a cross before it. Children have impressionable minds. Children is also common noun, so we will put a cross before it. Like other examples, cars are not allowed to park here, so we will put a no article before cars. And elephants are used in some countries to pull heavy loads. We will not use any article before elephants because cars and elephants are common noun. Next, no article is used before names of languages and subjects. जितनी भी लैंग्वेज हैं, जितने भी सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, उनके नाम से पहले हम आर्टिकल का प्रयोग नहीं करते. What is language? Language is the system of communication in speech and writing that is used by people of a particular country. For example, Gujarati, Marathi, Hindi, English, etc. And what is subject? Subject is an area of knowledge that you study at school, college, university. For example, mathematics is a difficult subject. Mathematics is the name of subject, so we will put a cross before mathematics. Next, English is spoken in many countries. English is language, so we will put cross before it. Subjects like Hindi, English, social science, physics, biology, chemistry, etc. And language is Hindi, English, Russian, French, Greek, etc. Have you understood it very well? Thank you, students.